Hello, dear students.
Nó vừa biết hỏng
Can you
thôi chứ
see
không đọc
now?
được. Vừa nãy ồi nhưng tại bác
Can
cho
you see
bài.
now? Okay. Can you see now, Sam? Okay.
Now I can see more black.
What happened? How about Fong?
Yeah.
How about Sam? Sunny?
Yes.
You
I
can
see
see
now.
Sunny? Okay, okay. Now, please read aloud the title, Sunny.
Fantastic.
Practice.
My foot writing.
Okay, practice test my first writing. Let's start. Oh, please look at the picture. What are these? These are the
Where the animal?
wild animals. Wild. Oh, where is Hannah? Hannah, where are you, Hannah?
Lấp lại.
Wild animals. So, can you please identify what animals do you see? What animals do you see, Fong?
I can see hamster, and tiger, and sheep.
Tiger. How about Sam? Sam?
Yes,
What
he is
animal?
a tiger.
And
Tiger?
anything else? Tiger.
Tiger, sheep?
Sheep. Okay, how about Sunny?
Yes.
What animal? In English.
Hamster.
Hamster. Okay.
Hello,
Llama. Oh, I love. Oh, hello, Hannah. What animal do you see, Hannah? Llama.
llama.
Oh, cute the llama. I have a llama here. Okay, anything else?
Teacher,
Yes.
my dear sister have a pink llama.
Wow. Real llama? Or
Pink.
oh, a pin. Oh, a cute pin llama. How
Yes.
about Hannah? What animal do you see?
Camels.
Camel. If only one, some camel. If only more than two, camels. Okay? Camel. Anything else? Oh, this one. Moose. And the last, what animal is this? Sea
I don't know.
lion. Sea lion. These are the animals: moose, llama, sea lion, camel, hamster, sheep, and a tiger. Okay. Now let's have warm up. Choose and circle complete the story. Oh, why is like that? Why the effect like that? Now let's start with, oh, I like this one. Cute. Wow. Okay. Let's start with we are talking about manatees. Yes, these are the manatees. Look like, they are look like mermaids. They were
Con má ma chích là
look like mermaids.
còn con má ma chích là
Manatees. Manatees. Now, let's read. Manatees are wild sea animals. Now, please answer some. They
They have are large and gray.
Okay. Next, Fong, they have a round body. Fong,
Yeah,
they have a round body.
they have a round body. They have
What is
they have
this?
I have
Flippers. Flippers. These are the flippers. Next, Hannah. Hannah, don't do that. Don't laugh, okay? Hannah, they're flippers.
Filter are like their arms. They have
A flat tail. Next, Sunny, they have they have whiskers
like us whisper
on their face.
on their bodies.
They very gentle. Have or are? Have or are, Sunny?
Is it have
No, they are. Now, very gentle. They eat only water plants. Wow, they're so cute. Now, this is the answer, Sam. Please read aloud your answer, Sam.
they have
They
are
are large and
large.
gray. They have a
large.
round body. Fong,
Teacher, yeah.
yes.
Can I go drink some water?
Okay, take your time. Number 2,
Yes.
Fong.
Number 2 is
Okay, correct. 2 flippers. Their flippers are like their arms. Hannah, they have
they have a fat tail.
they have whiskers on their face. Sunny, they are
They are very gentle.
they only eat water plants.
Plus,
Okay, that is our reading part, class. Now, this is section B. Let's have some warm up. Check if it's yes or no. Number 1, Sunny. Which one are correct? Do manatees have a round body?
yes.
The answer is... Oh my God, what happened? Yes. Number 2, Fong. Are there flippers like their arms?
yes.
Yes. Okay, number 3, Hannah. Do they eat fish?
No.
Oh, what they eat? Humans? What they eat?
I'm here.
I eat many.
No, the answer is no. So why? Why no? Why do they don't eat fish? They only eat sea plants. Okay, next. Wow. Let's have rock, paper, and scissors.
I can see.
How
I
to
can see.
play. The winner
can see.
chooses a word and writes it in the correct place. Play until the blanks are filled.
Rock, paper, scissors. I
Mhm.
know this game. Rock.
Okay.
It
How
has
we can play rock, paper, and scissors?
and 3 people are playing. There are three there are scissors, paper, and rock.
Okay,
And
so we
this
can be
is
fair.
rock. It's the
I think
paper.
that is
And
difficult.
it's the
That is
scissors.
difficult, Sam. So I will just choose random. Okay? Now, that is the example. Dolphin has a sleek body. Now, let's ask Fong. It has smooth. It has a smooth.
Yes.
What is it? About dolphins?
Yes.
Smooth skin. Correct. Hannah, it has a powerful. It has a powerful. Choose your answer from here.
Tail.
Tail. Correct. Sunny, it has two. It has
They
two.
have two body.
No, there's a body already. Choose your answer from here. Word bank.
They have they have two eyes.
No. It has. Choose your answer from here. Flippers. Okay, and the last, it has a blowhole on its head. Next, Hannah, number 6. It has a soft.
Have a soft body.
Sunny, it can change. It can change, Sunny.
It can change any body.
It can change color. Okay, Sam, it has 8.
It has 8 legs.
Oh no. Choose your answer from here.
Arm.
Arms. Fong, it has a large.
Yes.
It has a large.
Yes.
Okay, we are number 9, Fong.
Okay.
It has a large.
It has a long arm.
Oh, we have arms already.
Mm. Oh, blowhole. Blowhole.
No, we are now in octopus.
Good.
No, dear, you will choose here on octopus. Listen carefully, Fong. It has a large brain. Okay, next. It has 2 large eyes. Next, Sunny, 11. 11, Sunny. I have a stiff neck. Oh my God. I
They
can't
have
move my neck.
A flat ball.
Number 11.
A flat,
They have
flat
eleven.
ball.
11 finger.
No, we are now at 11. Stingray. Choose your answer from here. Listen carefully, class. The lesson is too easy.
Is that
Stars
flat?
a flat
Flat
ball. What ball?
It has a flat body.
body.
Next, number 2, Sam.
Um,
Number
it
12.
has a dangerous tails.
Correct. Next, Fong, 13. 13, Fong.
Yes. 13 is I.
Are on the top. Hannah, 14.
Is now in on the side. Mouth.
Very good. The mouth is on the side. And 15, it has a broad fence. Now we are done. Let's proceed to grammar. Let's learn this grammar. Comparative adjective. Now, verb adjective with ER than O. Now, can you read this one, Hannah? Because it's Vietnamese.
I know Vietnamese.
Okay, let's start with Hannah. Hannah, so
So, son.
please read aloud, Hannah.
I know Vietnamese. What they say, I am a Vietnamese.
So sánh hơn là khi chúng ta so sánh cái này hơn cái kia.
Okay, please read it louder so your classmate will understand.
Cái này hơn cái kia.
Kiss mommy, kiss mommy. Close door muna, close door. Close door. Come here, please kiss mommy. Okay, are you done, Hannah? Did you read it aloud?
Yes.
Okay, let's have Sunny, Sam. Kiss mommy.
And the winner.
Blow
So
nose.
sánh.
Blow nose in the towel, ha?
So sánh hơn là khi chúng ta so sánh cái này hơn cái kia. It's a whole
Blow nose in the room, the towel, okay? Okay, very good. So you fully understand this one because it's Vietnamese. I can't read it.
I am a Vietnamese people.
Yes, you are Vietnamese people. I will try. So San Juan La Ki Kuong Ta. Sorry. Okay, let's proceed to this part. Grammar practice. Write the correct form of the adjectives. Now, please read aloud, Fong. Fong.
Rapid or fast.
Horses. Oh, you're
Horses
eating chewing gum.
No.
Horses
or faster than rabbit. Or the faster on.
fastest of all. How about Sunny? Bumper cars. Sunny, bumper cars.
Horse.
Oh, do you like the nails, Hannah? So cute. Okay, bumper cars are exciting.
Water
Mm.
and exciting.
Water slides
Water side are more exciting than bumper car. Roller coasters are
roller coasters,
most exciting of all.
yes, are the most exciting of all. Now, let's have this one. Number 1. Please answer this, Hannah. Okay, I will answer this one. So you have reference. Turtle is the slow animal. Okay, next. How about the dangerous, Hannah? Number 2.
Road camping is dangerous than bike riding.
Okay, more dangerous. Okay, you add more, Hannah. Next, Pong, number 3.
Number 3.
Number 3, Pong.
Number 3. A blue whale are the largest animal in the world.
Okay, how to answer this one? Animals in the world. Largest. Largest. Okay, Sunny, number 4.
Yes, number 4 is in the box of
I think
interesting. The movie. I think
more
box of
interesting.
more
More
interesting.
interesting.
The movie.
Mm-hmm. Okay, Sam, number 5.
Number 5. My sister is tall.
This one, what's the answer? Pretty.
Pretty. Pretty?
Is pretty. Okay, next, number 6. My dad is the what happened, Liam? Smells so good. Love you. Say, love you, mommy. Say, love you. Love you. Okay, this one. Hannah, number 6. My dad
My dad is the tall person in the family.
tallest. Okay, correct. Very good. Now let's proceed to grammar practice. Okay, let's have number 1. Let's have Sunny, number 1. The giraffe's neck. Sunny,
Yes.
the giraffe's neck
Giraffe next is half than the horse is neck.
Has. Neck is has than horse's neck. How about Fong number 2? Number 2, Fong.
Number 2, dolphin are smarter.
Smartest animals. Smart. Okay, number 3, Sam.
He is a richer person in the world.
Richest. Richest. Hannah, number 4.
Sea turtle have 4 flippers.
Sea turtles have 4 flippers. Wow. Shark has many sharp teeth. Wow. Okay, very good. Now let's proceed to part 4. Let's have writing practice. Look and write the sentence using are, have, or can. Now, Sunny, number 1. Bull sharks.
Bull shark
Bull sharks
are
are, have, or can.
can.
Which one?
Bull shark is are
Are the most. Okay, please read aloud.
Bull shark have is have
Okay. Are. The answer is are. Here is the answer, Sunny.
yes.
Are the most dangerous sharks in the world. That is the answer, Sunny. Please read aloud.
Yes.
Okay, do you understand, Sunny?
Yes.
Okay, please read aloud the whole sentence, this one.
Bull shark are the most dangerous shark in the world.
Okay, that is the answer. Next. Now let's have, oh no laughing, Hannah. Okay, let's have some. They
They
number 2.
they
What's the answer? Are, have, or can?
they um they gray on top and white on the belly.
Are, have, or can?
Half
Okay, they have, they are.
gray
They are on the top and white on the belly. Okay, number 3, Hannah. Number 3. Are, have, or can? Have, are, or can? A powerful jaw. A powerful jaw. What's the answer, Hannah?
They they are a powerful dog.
Okay, the answer is have or are. What's your answer, Hannah? I can't hear you.
Could start a powerful charm.
Have, okay. They have a powerful jaw. Number 4, Fong. This is number 4, Fong.
Number 4, safety.
They are or have. Can.
Yes.
Choose your answer from here, Fong.
The boom shop have a safety.
Okay, correct. Number 5. Who is number 5? Me. Okay, me. Oh, I can see. They are meat eaters. Number 6. Sunny?
Number 6. I can see anything.
Okay, this is number 6. Why you can't see anything? What did you do? This is you, number 6.
Oh, this I see now. My very wet is wet. I know is it can small, but it can.
Mm-hmm.
Can.
Are, have, can. They can smell very well. Okay, good job, students. Now, let's have the word bank about shark. This is too difficult. Number 1.
I can understand. This topic October, stranger, and
Write
blue
words about
shark.
eating out with your family. Number 1. No. Okay. Write number 1.
What? I
Word
can
bank about octopus,
Con gì thì
dolphin, stingrays. Okay, I will start. A dolphin. Okay, you may also write here. So write it in a text. Text, okay, text. I need text. Text. How do I make my smaller? A dolphin. Like this. Has a sleek body. Okay, now please write here. Hannah, Fong, Sam, Sunny, Hannah, Fong, Sam, Sunny. Okay. These are the answers. Make your own sentence and I will correct it one by one. Okay, these are the answers. For example, an octopus has a soft body. A dolphin has a powerful tail. Okay, start now, dear students. Start now. Sunny.
Yes.
Okay, you don't understand? You don't understand some?
I'm not. Now, yes. Difficult.
Okay, for example, here, make a sentence using the answers here. Describe the stingray, the sharks. Which animal do you like?
Um,
Okay, just pick one sentence. Make one sentence. Okay, Fong, you may start now, and Hannah. Hannah first. Oh, look at Fong. He can answer. Oh, bull sharks, yes, are the most dangerous sharks in the world. Okay. Bull sharks. How about Sam? Hannah, your turn, and let's check once you are done, okay? I will just get some water. I'm thirsty. Okay, now, Fong, Sunny, are you done?
no.
Okay, here are the answers, students. Choose a one. Oh, look, Hannah and Fong has a large eyes and dangerous tail. Octopuses. Oh, okay. Sam is answering now. How about Fong? You can do it, Fong. Sunny. Oh, Sunny. Sam, describe each features of the animals.